Say I'm your girl, you're my man. Promise to love you the best I can. Shawty, yeah. All of this money and I've been losing my mind. Hold on, gotta hold me down. Hold on, gotta hold me down.
Hey guys, this is Patty for CongoleseSisters, as you should already know by now. So this is the look I did today. It's a bridal look that is hopefully my first bridal look. Hopefully I will do more bridal look for this season. So yeah, that's just a bridal look. I hope you will enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the other side. Hey guys, so I'm starting off the look with Yama, if I'm pronouncing it right. Yeah, Yama, and I'm putting that in the crease area, just blending that in. Sorry, I forgot to mention that it's Yama from the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place. My bad guys, my bad. And now I'm taking the Masquerade palette again from Juvia's Place, and I'm using the shade, just one moment, I can't remember the name of the shade right now, but it will be listed down below. And I'm just placing that at the same place that I put Yama. Okay, now I'm taking this shade again from the Masquerade palette. I'm so sorry guys, right now I am unable to remember the names. I'm just placing that in the corner of my eyes, as you can see, to deepen the corner of my eyes a little bit, because I wanted them a little bit darker. And now again from the Masquerade palette, I'm taking the darker brown color, and I'm kind of placing that like in my crease and also at the outer of my eyes, because I wanted to darken the look a little bit more. I felt like it was too red pinkish, so, and I wanted to go more for a brownish look, so that's why I placed that in my crease. Okay, right now I'm just gonna carve out my lid. I'm sorry if I'm a bit too low. It's just that when I carve my lid, I really need to be up close to that mirror. So yeah, I'm just carving it, as you can see, with my LA Pro Concealer, medium beige concealer basically. Okay, and on top of the where I just carved my lid, I'm taking the Magic palette, and I'm taking this kind of blue silver eyeshadow, and I'm placing that all over the place that I carved out. I'm placing it with my finger. I'm placing it at the outer. I prefer, like, when I do when I place eyeshadow on my lid, I prefer placing them with my finger, but you can place them with your brush if you prefer. And then for the color, closer to my, well, you see where I'm placing it right now. I use a color from the Masquerade palette, and it's kind of a white silvery shade. I just thought that these two went well together, and this one I placed it with a brush because it was closer to my inner dot, and it was easier with the brush also. I just went in with my brush now to kind of blend everything in and to make everything look seamless. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. This is my look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel, guys. Thank you for all the love and support. We really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before you leave. And also, this is a wig that I made. Yes, your girl, your sis made a wig. Can you believe that? Because I still can't. But you know what? I'm an OG. You know what I'm saying? I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. Yes, amen. So yes, so yeah, that is a wig that I made. Comment down below if you want me to review this wig. I will gladly do it for you guys. Well, not review the wig, but I mean review the hair, because the wig, I can review it and I can tell you that it's bomb. But yeah, I can review the hair if you want. Just comment down below. I will gladly do a video for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a blessed day, night, evening, wherever it is over there. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye.
What else? Your body go